it's really important for artists to use the platform that they're given to audiences to really share their ideas and their important messages that are meaningful to them, such as equality and the right for gay people to get married. My best friends are mostly all gay, including Nick Searley here.
And before we were singing songs about with humor and seriousness, all of it, we were able to sing about it, and now it's a reality that I'm able to get gay married. So, yay, happy Pride. It's a traffic jam, we're already late. A no smoking sign on your cigarette break. It's like 10,000 spoons when all you need is a night. It's like meeting the man of your dreams and then meeting his beautiful husband. And isn't it ironic? Don't you think? It's like rain on your wedding day. It's the pre-ride when you've already paid. It's the good advice that you just didn't take. And who would have thought it figures? Who would have thought it figures? Who would have thought it figures?
Happy Pride!
Happy Pride.
Rainbow colors.